There's a massive storm going on outside. Most beautifulest lightning. And it's starting to rain as well now. Mother Earth and Mother Nature is most definitely showing themselves. We've got fork lightning and a really beautiful purpley pink colour. So much for my sky watch tonight. Wow. It's nuts, guys, look. I've never heard anything like it. Well, I have, but it's not very often you see the lightning like that, though. Wow. This bloody pee. Go lay down. Got to shut the window, guys, because the water's like dripping through the bloody. Wow. There's like, it's that windy that the rain that's coming down is being pushed across the water, across the floor. And I've also can hear bins or something, whoa, moving around. It's really windy out there as well, definitely. There is a really, really bad storm here. It's not very often the UK gets storms this bad. Like, normally it's just really bad rain and maybe some thunder and lightning, but not really windy. It's all of it all together now. Look, terrible. People are coming back in their cars, rushing, you know what I mean? We're known for rain, but it's always normally like one thing or another. Or whoa, absolutely stunning. I used to be petrified of thunderstorms and lightning storms and stuff like that. I didn't used to like it when I was younger, but no, I can't get enough. Normally I'd be stood out there in it, but this is a bit different. It's really windy in that as well, and with how small I am, I'll probably get blown away. That's crazy. The colours in the sky, it's nuts. Makes me wonder what our extraterrestrial friends are doing at this time when the weather's like this, and they probably like it. Like my guy at the minute, he's like standing to the back of me and he just seems to be radiating in it. He's like glowing, and I think they really pick up a lot of energy from things like this. A bit like spirits, I guess. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, I used to be petrified of it, but that long went. Now I can sit there for hours and hours and just watch. My dog, I don't think he quite understands or knows what to think. He's not like really whimpering like he normally does, but he don't like when the light flashes or anything like that. He's sitting like behind the curtain bit, so we can't fully see it. You can probably see him in the reflection in the window. That's wow. Mother Nature is most definitely doing her thing, that's for sure. I think we're probably going to be in for this for the next hour or so. It don't look like it's moving anywhere at the minute. It seems to be just in front of us at the minute, coming over my top of our place where we live. Oh wow, absolutely stunning. I think I'm going to upload this onto my YouTube so people can see what a storm in England, UK looks like. You'd think we'd be used to this sort of weather most of the time, yeah, but it's not normally like this bad. It's like I said, either one thing or another normally, or a little bit of rain and you know, a couple of minutes thunderstorm. They seem to be whoa, now they seem to be getting, you know, longer. Oh, woo, I hear you, mama. Hail Mother Nature. My mother, come to me again, show me again, come please. That's it, come on. A really, really large and bright bulk of lightning. Mother Nature, please hear me. Show me your ear. Let the world hear you. That's it. Woo! Woo! Wow! Oh my god! Woo! That's what happens when you ask, guys. Thank you. Love you, mama. Wow. I love this stuff. Oh, feel the energy, guys. Feel the energy. Oh, wow. Come on, Mother Nature, please again. Another big light bolt in for me. Show me your ear. Show the guys. Show them what you got. Let the world hear you roar. Go on. Please, 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 please. Woo! Woo! Wow. Okay. Yep. And again, can you do it for me again? Please, Mother Earth Nature. Please, you know how much I love you. Show me those lights. Show me that power, that energy that you radiate through us. Come on. Fill the sky with your beauty. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh. Oh my god, guys, seriously, like, you probably can't see this like full extent or anything, but if you was here, wow, absolutely amazing. And she's responding to when I'm talking to her. They always do. Can you do it for me again, Mother? Light the sky with your power of beauty. Wow. Can you do it again for me? Show those lights. Show them that you are the power and the ruler of all. Show us, Mother. I send you my love, generosity and my goodness. Whoa, thank you. Wow. Woo! This is what witches do when they ain't got anything to do, guys. They sit and they enjoy nature, and especially nature extravagance like this, where she's at her most best. I could sit here for hours watching this. Oh, if I could explain to you the energy and the power and the feeling you get from this when you're connected to nature, and it's unbelievable. Can you show us your lightning again, please, Mother Nature? Your daughter Willow calls to you again. Show us that you're here. Make your world hear you and see you. There is no one as greater as you, our divine ones. Wow. Can you... Ooh. Give me your lightning again. Show me that beautiful, beautiful light. A massive big bolt. Whoa! Whoa! Do it for us again. Light the sky up. Light the sky up, Mother Nature. Light the sky up. Show us your power, your strength, and your beauty. Can you do that for me? Whoa! She answers. I tell you, if you have that connection and that love, and you give, she will listen to you. She will listen. She is one truly amazing figment of this world that nothing else can touch. She's absolutely amazing. She is the mother of all mothers. Oh dear Mother Nature, Mother Earth. Whoa, hello. Can you make it come stronger and stay for longer? Show me you're here. Show your daughter you're here. Show your children that you're here. My maiden, my mother, my one and all and of all power. Embrace and show your beauty to the world. Woo! Woo! That is just unbelievable. I'm gonna turn this